Hello, souls, and welcome to the Soulnet Tarot. This is Khushi, and today we are doing a pick a card reading for the month of November. Let me take you through the process. We have three piles here. First, clear quartz, second, rose quartz, and third is amethyst. You may use the crystals to choose a pile or the pile itself. Use your intuition and choose the pile that calls to you. You may pause the video and choose the pile very patiently. Since it is a general reading and might not resonate with you completely, I would suggest to only take what you want and don't take major decisions just based on the reading. Use your intellect. You may also like to book a personal reading from us. We are offering free personal readings till 31st December 2020. The link of our Instagram account is in the description box. DM us to book a reading. Also, the timestamps are given below. So hello pile 1, all those who have chose the clear quartz. This is your reading for the month of November. This is your guidance message. We will see to it later on. This is your theme of the month. Let me just pull out the cards first. Well, it seems like a lot is happening in this month for you people. The theme of your month is Magician. Well, it's a month where all your manifestations will come true. All the things you have been working on will just appear in your life very easily. You may also be in the manifestation stage and start to manifest something. It will come out. I can see a very good news coming for lovers or maybe some business people too. With the Two of Cups, what I can see here is it's most probably for lovers that there would be union in case of your soulmate or twin flame relationship. There might come some proposals from people, from the other person, or you might be willing to propose somebody. Also, in terms of business, this could be a new offer coming in, and collaboration might bring in victory for you people. I see a lot of you people are either students or willing to pursue something, and maybe your college days or school or something new is starting for you, a job is starting for you. You are in your initial stages. If you are working, it could be you are at your initial stage in your job. Well, with two major arcanas, it seems like a lot of role is going to be played by destiny in this month. Well, this month starts with very beautiful astrological changes. The planets are aligned very differently. It seems like you'll be achieving something this month, and by the end of this month you'll have something to cherish. Your first month is going the first week of November is going to be very lucky for lovers, and many offers might come in, many opportunities might come in for you people. I would request you, it seems like though the offers might be coming in and you will be starting up some new and different things, but seems like in one area of your life you aren't taking any decision and you'll stay still. Even I would recommend you to do that, to stay still, first observe, let the wisdom come, collect all the information, and then only move ahead. Overall, it seems like a very beautiful month coming, especially for the people who are in love or in relationships. A new romance might begin in, and you'll have those very beautiful, cherishing moments in this month that you'll be very grateful for. Yes, see, your guidance messages, a new romantic cycle begins. With this new moon coming in, a new romantic cycle begins in for you. So it seems like a very, very, very lucky month for all the people who are in love, and and all those people who are manifesting love and who are trying to manifest some partnerships, some friendships, and even in terms of business, this month seems to be very prospering. Well, congratulations. This is going to be a very beautiful and happy month for you people, and it will bring in a lot of happiness in almost all aspects of your life, especially in your love life. It seems like all those twin flames unions going to be happen, and you might even meet your soulmate. But I feel it's going to be in the first or second week of the month when you'll be meeting your soulmate or your twin flame, or the union might happen, and a new romantic cycle is going to begin. So this month seems to be very passionate and romantic for you, and you might be starting something new from the initial stage. This could also mean by your relationship that you'll be starting, that would be in initial stages, but all of this in the end is going to be very beautiful for you and you'll be very grateful. This seems like one of the best months of the year for you people, and I'm very happy for you. Congratulations. Well, that was your reading. Hope it resonated with you. Do come and comment in the comment section if it resonates with you and if it might resonate with you later on. Thanks for trusting in us and believing in the Soulnet Tarot and letting us do your reading. So see you in the next video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon to get notifications of our videos. Bye bye. So hello pile 2, all those who have chosen Grow Squads. This is your reading for the month of November. This is your guidance message. We'll look at it later on. Let me pull out the cards first and then we'll decide. A lot many things are happening for you in this month. This seems to be a very busy month. It seems like a lot of things will be destined in this month. We have two major arcanas here too. In the last pile also we have had major arcanas. So seems like this month is actually very powerful and we can expect a lot of powerful changes, especially in your terms in this pile. Most of the time you might be staying a bit sad in this month because of a few fallen cups, of a few things that aren't working out in your favor. But I see you people are very spiritual. With the High Priestess here, it suggests you to follow your intuition and go deep within. So maybe you'll be practicing and focusing more on yourself, doing some prayers, meditations. It seems like you're on crossroads in your life. You have a decision to make, and that decision might determine what's gonna happen with you in the upcoming future days. What I see is you'll come to a point with this decision that you'll be making. You have choices here. You might be juggling between two things. But with this 6 of Wands, I think you'll be getting some very good news coming in, and a very, very, very bright new start. And this new start is destined for you people. A new office might be coming in with Knight of Pentacles. It seems like new office might be coming in your life. New proposals might come in. This month is going to be very tiring for you, and you'll be exhausted by the end of this month. It seems like it's going to be so hectic. A lot of things would be happening that you'll be so tired. So just take time and replenish yourself, rejuvenate, rest, do self-care. Do not neglect all these things. Just because you're busy, do not forget to love yourself. Do not forget to take care of yourself. This major decision that's coming is going to determine the month ahead, and no matter whatever decision you choose, I feel that you have the resources and you have the intellect, and I would suggest to go deep within and use your intuition to make the decision. If you really want some more deeper insights, you can book a personal reading with us. We are offering free readings. The link is in the description box. DM us on our Instagram account to book a reading. You might get more clarity with it. This decision that you have to make is going to determine your life, but I see a lot of new start coming, especially by the end of this month. A new start might be coming in for you, new offers coming in, new opportunities coming in, new proposals coming in for those who are in a relationship. This could be a start of a new relationship also for you people, and a very good and happy news coming in for you. A news of some victory. You might win something. You might have earned something. You might be waiting for something to come in. It seems like you'll be sad, and I would suggest you not to be sad. See, no matter what wrong is happening in our life, there's always something bright and beautiful happening in. So just focus on the two cups that are standing and not on the two cups that have fallen down. Go deep inside, meditate. It suggests that you people are very spiritual people, so you people should focus on yourself and use your intuition more to take this decision. If you take the decision with your intuition and not with your ego, it would lead you to a very beautiful future ahead. And also, do not forget to take care of yourself completely. You might get exhausted. You need a lot of rest also. I see a lot of troublesome time coming in for you this month, but it's also gonna end up very beautifully with a new start. Maybe in the first 2 weeks you will be sad, and by the as the time will pass on and will be reaching the end of the month, it feels like a new start would be coming in. Maybe this decision, the early you take this decision, the brighter the future would be. But please take your time, do not rush the decision. Take your time, use your intuition, meditate, call upon your fairies and angels to guide you, and then go ahead. This decision is going to determine how your life is going to be. Well, it seems like no matter whatever way you choose, it's going to bring in a lot of beautiful events in your life, beautiful startings, prosperity. A lot of nice things are going to come, and I feel this month is going to be very hectic for you. A lot of things would be happening, so yes, you need to take a lot of rest. Let's see your guidance message. Oh, walk through your fears. So it seems like you people are afraid of taking the decision here. You people are at the crossroads. You need to work through your fears, accept what's coming in. With this card, I can see that you people have blinded yourself and you're not looking at the resources, and instead of fighting with your fears, instead of trying to overcome them, you have just closed your eyes like the pigeon does. When a pigeon sees a cat, what he does, he closes his eyes and don't really try to fight it, and then at the end the cat eats the pigeon and the pigeon dies. So the moral of the story is to work through your fears, to just fight with them. Do not hide in the face of conflict. Instead, face it. Facing it would give you a different kind of outcome rather than just closing your eyes. your angels and you're pretty much supported here. Your angels are supporting you. Just do not be scared. Go ahead. Let all those things that are scaring you, just fight with them, be bold and make a move here. Don't be afraid of the past patterns. Past doesn't repeat itself. Universe has your back. Just go ahead. Everything is sorted out. So well, yes, I would suggest you to take a lot of rest and do not run from your fears. Face them boldly, and use your intuition to make the decisions, and all these problems will subside in the end, and then you can relax peacefully. So yes, this was your reading for the month of November. Hope it resonated with you. Do like, share and comment in the comment section if it resonates, and also comment what more readings would you like to have with us. You can join us on IG also. Hello pile 3, all those who have chosen amethyst, this is your reading. Well, what I can see is this is going to be a very happening month for you people, especially in terms of, well, this one card was left outside, so yeah, well, it is happening in terms of almost all areas of your life. Well, as well, mostly in terms of your family life, in your personal life, there's going to be a lot of things happening. I could see some sort of celebration coming in, a get together, birthday party, wedding. It could also be a destination wedding, or you might be just going out for a family outing in some resort or some countryside space where you'll be spending time in nature. So what I see here is you'll be facing an unexpected battle. I think it's in terms of your career or professional life. I feel you're in initial stages of, like, you have just started college or just started working. That's why I said you are in early 20s, because this is uh, very happening month for you people, and you people are very energetic. With the King of Swords, I feel like you'll overcome this battle very easily. This battle could also mean for lovers that you are suspicious, or you are under suspicion of your partner, like they are suspicious of you or you are doubting them. But for people who are working, this could mean that they'll have to prove themselves, they'll have to uh, prove the world that they are very much capable. You also have the resources to do that, and you'll do that very easily. And by the end of the month, I can see a lot of happiness coming in, especially in terms of finances. You'll be earning a lot of money, and you'll even be starting something new with that money, something new. I think you have some different creative ideas to do with the money, and you'll be doing it. With the King of Swords and here Queen of Swords, Queen of Swords is someone who's a giver, so you might also be donating money. With these both two cards, I can see that there might be some sort of, collaboration, or for those people, people might be meeting their soulmate. You might be working together with your loved one to achieve something. You might meet someone who's just as capable who's very compatible with you. With the Knight of Cups, I see there's a lot of offers coming in your life in this month. This was every day would be a new excitement for this is very exciting month for you basically. So you people would be mostly occupied with something or the other. I see a lot of family time here. Some of you might even be buying pets or feeding dogs, I think, or you might have dogs. Will spend time with your pets. That's gonna help you. I see you people are very brave, and you people are very intellectual people. You might be willing to cultivate your spiritual practices, or just work hard on your skills in the way to develop yourself. So in the start of the month it's going to be very nice, but in the middle you'll be facing a battle, but you'll overcome it very easily since you have all the resources and you're mentally very strong, so you can do it. I'm proud of you. You'll be. This would be the final battle you have to face, and after that you'll achieve everything that you have been wanting. So you'll just overcome it, and it's going to be very much easy for you. You're supported by the angels and these. The universe would help you overcome it. Well, since I think that there are going to be a lot of little events happening in this month, and there's nothing major, but just a lot of little things happening in this month, and you'll be enjoying your time together. Well, this month is going to be overall a bright month for you, where you'll be always occupied with something or the other. There's not going to be some monotony that would set in. I think you'll be working very hard in this month, especially to reach this 10 of Pentacles stage, where you'll be spending some happy family time with some good financial stability. Let's see your guidance cards. Your hard work is paying off. Yeah, I just said that you'll be working hard in this, and a personal issue reaches solution. So there might be something that's troubling you, like just I said there. Either you are facing this battle, or you will be facing this battle. So you can just relax. This personal issue would reach resolution on its own. This battle would, well, for most of you this battle would mean something in your professional or career life related to finances, but uh, for some of you it might could also mean in terms of your love life, that there's a lot of doubt and suspicion going on. So yes, it seems like a very action packed month for you, and I think it will go on very smoothly since you have a lot of energy to encounter all that's coming your way. There are a lot of things happening, and it's a good month overall. If you want to have some personal readings with us, you can DM us on our Instagram account, where we're offering free readings till 31st December 2020. And all the best for the month. Hope you liked the reading. If you liked the reading and it resonated with you, do tell us in the comment section. Thank you. See you in the next reading. Bye bye.